Water marbling has been done for centuries. It is a technique that floats colorants on the surface of water thickened with Carrageenan moss. I use regular alcohol solvent dyes made for coloring leather instead of acrylic paints that tend to flake off. This 10 by 6 inch piece of vegetable tan leather is 3 to 4 ounces and the perfect size for a stitching chisel case. Natural pigskin leather was dyed the same way for the lining inside of the case. I started with a sketch, then drew the lines in 1:1 scale in AutoCAD. The pattern can be printed in paper to make sure there is enough room for the chisels to fit, and small holes are handy to mark the start and end of the stitching seams. I print the pattern in clear 1/8 inch acrylic for a cutting and marking template, then drag a knife along the edge for a perfectly matched front and back using the same piece of acrylic. Skiving down the edges on the top and bottom helps to create a sunken seam, making the case easier to sew, and cutting the pigskin lining slightly larger makes it easier to glue it on flat. When the glue is dry, trim the edges and make a cut straight across 3 inches from the top for the lid. Finish the seams on the lid and top of the bottom piece, then bevel, burnish, and paint the edges that'll be difficult to get at after the case is assembled. Next, stitch up the sides, pockets, and attach the lid. Then finish the remaining edges and allow it to dry. The case pockets are flat and designed to fit tightly, so apply conditioner to the case and the handles of the chisels to help condition the inside of the pockets and allow the leather to stretch without cracking. A bone folder is a good tool to use, and with the lining glued in, you should only expect the leather to stretch a very small amount, which is ideal. This case took me about 3 hours to make, not including drying time.